Hey guys, so I'm on mobile bed because her phone is almost dead. That's why I had to do it. See guys, see I have his picture right here on that. Hang on, let me see that. Let me put. Let me see. So guys. I have so many pictures. I like this girl. You know why I'm kissing it? It's Hello Kitty. Yeah. Hmm? So does yes. So that's called hiccup, alright? I just got the number in my phone and boom. Calling hiccup. Yo. Hello? What was that noise? Was that his dragon? Whoa! Hello? What the hell? Oh, that was kind of creepy this time. Do you guys see? Do I think I just had a dream about playing with hiccup? What? You guys, I always never doing this. Oh my gosh, please smash the like button because I don't know what happened. You guys, make sure you get a big thumbs up. And please, guys, and guess what? Don't ask for hiccup number because I can't leak it. If I leak, he's going to remove his number, and I don't want to leak people's number. I mean, character's number. Yeah. If I do that, then we move the number. So you guys have had a neighbors. So let's start calling. And guess what? I already had the contact of Samara in my phone. As you guys can see, Samara. So let's start FaceTime her. Okay, here it is right there. You guys here? You guys here? calling Samara. Oh, you guys can see me from the camera. Come on. Go, please. If I release, you know, see, I have Samara's number. See?
You must be arguing students. Dr. Rubin, the principal. Yes. Explain the fur and the bushy tails. Follow me, gentlemen. There was no less movie down there too. And I'm like, Coach, I don't care if my leg's broken. Put me in. I can use. Tired of the story. So I hobble out, barely able to stand. Did I mention my leg was broken? So hang up? Yes. Good luck.
Thanks. Hello guys, welcome to homeroom. Good to be here, I hope. So this is a classroom. I love the smell of zip cream in the morning. Hello, ladies.
So guys, I don't know what's going on. I don't know I could do this. Should I do the Cardi B right now? I don't care. No. I need to wait till I get more than 5,000 likes. If this video hit, Momo's gonna be in a video next time when I call her tomorrow. If this video, guys, if this video hits 500 likes, I will. If this video hits 500 likes, what that means, that me and Momo will be back in a video about calling Cardi B or Nicki Minaj or Hiccup. Okay? Anyways, if this video hits 500 likes, me and Momo are gonna be there in the next video. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you get a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.